Hi, well, this is the box I made to carry my tools and necessary things on my bike. That's the front, side, back, bottom. It's made out of, I forget what it's called, aluminium sheet, 3mm. Length, we have 38 centimeters, 15 inches. Height, 33 centimeters, 13 inches. Along the top, short side, 26.5 centimeters, around 10 inches. And let's have a look what we got inside. We got it's obviously not fitted to the bike. We've got a latch at the top, the hasp there, so I can put a padlock or an R-clip in. And at the bottom we have a flip, so when it's on the bike, what you do is you flip the bottom, lift the top, lift from the bottom, it's nice and stiff, got some foam on it, which is good. And there we have emergency, that's all I need to carry. Roadside assistance for BMW, there you go. That's all we need to carry. That's my spares. That's a joke. Alright, so what I wanted to carry is the tool roll, compressor, the tyre plug kit, a jump starter, cables, bit of tape, some cable ties and whatnot. Maybe I can put a first aid kit in there, but I don't think it'll fit. So this you'll see is made to measure. So the toolkit goes in, compressor will go in, and there's a couple of different ways to measure, put that in, but let's try it that way for now. Go in there, plus can put the back, tape in there. Starters, cable, and a bunch of loose cable ties, and a bit of rag. Look at the bottom. Flip it up nicely, flip it down, and it's all in. Done. Pretty solid. What else can I tell? Oh, I know what else I can tell you. Yep, okay. Let's just hold that thing on. Now, the other thing I made it for was, got this bit of polystyrene, the same size as the 3.8 litre rotor packs, either water or fuel. Fits inside it nicely too. I want to carry some more water and fuel, do without the tools, carry that inside. That's it. So I've just weighed the box. That's just over 3 kilos. The tool rail, it's got a couple of extra things in it. That's the motor, what's it called? Motor Hansa tool roll, BMW. That's just over 3 kilos. Then you have a bit of mixed stuff like the compressor and tyre fixer, that's about 1.3, and then the sundry stuff, however you can fit in, is probably another 3/4 of a kilo or kilo. So that's 3, 6, 7, 8, so maybe 9 kilos altogether. Does actually slip right adjacent to the down holes in front and back, so it could maybe possible to put an L-shaped bracket down I don't know. Didn't have an L-shaped bracket down. I'll have to think about that. But no, I'm happy with that. It's not being too greedy. I've got plenty of space. That's a pretty big box.